Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show how to see muted accounts on Instagram PC. We start by opening Instagram from our browser with the session started. Next, we click on the More option and then on Settings. Here we will click on Muted Accounts and see those profiles where we have a muted option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If we want to change any silenced element of that profile, we will go to it and click on the following option. After that, click on Mute, and here we can modify these options in publications and stories. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.